Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp desktop not downloading files on PC. Don't worry, we've got some simple solutions to help you fix this problem. Let's get started. Step 1. Reset the WhatsApp app. Open your Windows settings and go to the Apps section. Search for WhatsApp and click on it. Select Advanced Settings and then choose the Reset option. This will clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the download issue. Step 2. Restart your device. After resetting the app, restart your PC. This refreshes the system and allows WhatsApp to function properly. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Try downloading the files again to see if the problem is solved. Step 4. Reconnect to WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp desktop and go to Settings. Select Logout. Then, on your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Linked Devices, and scan the QR code on your PC to reconnect. This creates a fresh connection that can fix download issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem of not being able to download files on WhatsApp desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.